So hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video, I'll be walking you through this mathematical problem coming from the Battle of the Brains High School Division Easy Round. So before we begin, turn the intro. So here's the mathematical problem. The three sides of a triangular lot are in a ratio of 3:4:5. If the perimeter is 120 meters, what is the area in square meters? Alright, so to begin with, we are about to take the ratio 3:4:5. And we're about to draw a right triangle. To put these things into places, ayan. So let's put 3 here, 4 here, and 5. We need to verify if this is a right triangle by getting the formula of the Pythagorean theorem. So Pythagorean theorem is equal to c squared is equal to a squared plus b squared. Or b squared plus a squared, it doesn't matter. We are about to take these 3 as a, as b, as c. So basically, kung ano pinakamalaking number, yun po ang hypotenuse. Alright, so c squared which is 5. 5 squared is equal to a squared, which is 3. 3 squared plus b squared, which is 4. 4 squared. Ayan, so what is 5 squared? 25. What is 3 squared? 3 times 3? 9. Very good. Plus 4 squared, which is 16. Ayan, so mapapansin naman natin, it's equivalent kasi 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. So it's verified as a right triangle. Okay, let's erase this muna. Kung makita naman natin sa tanong, the perimeter is 120 meters. Kunin muna natin ang formula ng perimeter. So perimeter is equal to A plus B plus C. Okay, substitute natin. What is P? 120. Very good. 120 is equal to A plus B plus C. Ang sagot nito ay hindi kasing laki ng 120. So, paano yun? So, let's take A as 3 plus 4 plus 5. Magsisingit tayo ng mga X. Yan. Magsisingit tayo ng X. Yan. 3x, 4x, and 5x. So, if we're about to add is 3x plus 4x, which is 7x, plus 5x, very good, it's 12x. Okay, so let's take 120 is equal to 12x. Oops, 12x, yan. So, ano gagawin natin in order for this to be equivalent to 120? Very good. We are about to divide 120 sa 12. Very good. It's 10. So, basically, x is equal to 10. Ayan. So, let's check kung ito ba ay equivalent sa 120 kung ang x ay 10. So, paano nga ba ginawa kanina? Naglagay ako ng x sa bawat number. So, let's take 120 is equal to 3 times 10, which is the value of x, plus 4 multiplied by 10, which is the value of x, and 5 times 10. Ayun. So, we're about to take the whole number of this. 120 is equal to 30. 3 times 10 is equal to 30. 4 times 10 is equal to 40. And 5 times 10 is equal to 50. So, mapapansin naman natin, it's equivalent. Since 30 plus 40 is 70. 70 plus 50 is equal to 120. So, ayan. Ang gagawin naman natin, makikita naman natin sa right triangle na 3:4:5 lang. So, we're about to put 0 here. Since yan ang sagot. So, baka tanungin nyo, is this still equivalent as a right triangle? Tignan natin. So, ano ito formula ng Pythagorean theorem? Very good. C squared is equal to A squared plus B squared. Na-upgrade na yung mga numbers. Let's take 50 as C. So, 50 squared is equal to A squared, which is 30. 30 squared plus b squared, which is 40 squared. So you can use your calculator in order for you to solve this, or just use your mathematical skills. Okay. So let's take 50 squared. 50 times 50. Very good. It's 2,500. It's equal to 30 squared. 30 times 30 is equal to 900 plus 40 squared, which is 1,600. Is this equivalent? Yes. Kasi look, if you're about to add 1,600 to 900, it's equal to 2,500. So, in short, this is a right triangle. What is the area in square meters? May formula ulit tayo gagamitin. What is the area of the triangle? A is equal to 1/2 base times height. Okay, so we're about to substitute the B and H. What is B? Base. Very good, it's 40. And height is 30. Eh, paano kapag nabaliktad? Okay lang yun kasi if you're about to take 30 here and 40 here, this is 30 and this is 40, it's still equivalent to its area. Kasi 30 times 40 is equivalent to 40 times 30. Ganun lang. So, we're about to multiply this 40 and 30. Use your mathematical skills or just use a calculator in order for you to solve it. So, 40 times 30 is equal to 1,200. Ayan. Multiplied by 1/2. Ano ba ang kalahati ng 1,200? You got it right. It's equal to 600. 600. Pero kulang pa yan. Bakit? Kasi wala pa tayong unit. Paano ba ang unit na square meter? So, we're about to take m squared. In short, ang tawag dito ay meter squared. Okay? So, this is the final answer. The area in square meters equal to 600 square meter. I hope you learned something new. It's me, Bernardo Escoral III. Stacker out. Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. In today's video, meron ulit tayo mathematical problem na nanggagaling sa Battle of the Brains High School Division Easy Round. The question here is, the sum of the interior angles of a regular polygon is 1,980 degrees. How many sides does the polygon have?